In this video, I'm going to share one of the most important concepts when it comes to reliability. Inherent reliability doesn't mean how long something will last without failing. Inherent reliability means how long something will last when we protect it with the right proactive maintenance and other default strategies. I'm in the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico at Chichen Itza, and behind me is the Kukulcan Temple. One of the things that the ancient Mayans did at this temple is they would cut their earlobes, their tongue, and their private part, and they would drain blood out of it. They would offer that blood to the gods because they didn't believe that the gods would live forever. They believed they needed to feed them. And that's what reminds me about reliability. See, when it comes to our equipment, we have to feed it. We don't get the reliability we need just by putting a piece of equipment into service and leaving it. So when the Mayans believed they needed to feed the gods to keep them alive, well, we need to feed our equipment with the right proactive maintenance, and that means doing the right tasks at the right time. And reliability-centered maintenance helps us to do that, because when we do reliability-centered maintenance, we identify equipment functions, and we specify exactly what we need from a piece of equipment. In that way, we understand what we mean by failure, what failure means to us. And then we figure out what specifically causes that failure. And from there, we can identify technically appropriate maintenance and the right intervals. The RCM process helps us to figure out all of that. So there you have it. Take it from the ancient Mayans and know that we have to feed our equipment to get the reliability that we need. I'm Nancy Regan. Thank you for watching.